Craving those unbelievably soft and pliable Costco tortillas, but don't want to make a special trip? Get ready to unlock the secret to perfectly homemade tortillas that taste just like the ones you love, all from your own kitchen. First, let's gather our superstar ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour. That's our base, a little salt for flavor, and the magic ingredient that gives these tortillas their incredible tenderness, melted butter. But make sure it's just slightly cooled so it doesn't cook the flour too fast. In a large mixing bowl, we'll start by whisking together 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give that a good mix to ensure the salt is evenly distributed throughout the flour. Now, pour in 1/3 cup of melted, slightly cooled, unsalted butter. We want to incorporate this into the dry ingredients by using your fingers or a pastry blender to create a crumbly texture, almost like coarse sand. The next crucial step is adding 1/2 cup of hot water, but we'll do this gradually while stirring with a wooden spoon. The hot water is key to developing those wonderfully soft textures. Keep mixing until a shaggy dough starts to form, just before it comes together. Turn your shaggy dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes. You're looking for a smooth, elastic ball that springs back when you gently press it. Don't overwork it, but ensure it's well kneaded for that Costco texture. Once your dough is smooth, place it back into the bowl and cover it with a damp kitchen towel. Let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This resting period allows the gluten to relax, making your tortillas super pliable and easy to roll out. After resting, divide your dough into 8 equal portions. Roll each portion into a smooth ball if you want perfect uniformity. You can weigh them, but for homemade charm, just eyeball it. On a lightly floured surface, take 1 dough ball and flatten it with your hands. Then, using a rolling pin, roll it out into a thin circle, about 8 to 10 inches in diameter. Imagine you're creating a very flat disc. Aim for a consistent thickness. Now, heat a dry cast iron skillet or griddle over medium-high heat. No oil is needed here. Carefully place your roll-it-out tortilla onto the hot skillet. You'll see it start to puff up and develop beautiful brown spots within about 30 seconds to a minute per side. Flip it and cook the other side until golden and slightly blistered. Repeat this process with the remaining dough balls. Stack your cooked tortillas and cover them immediately with a clean kitchen towel. This keeps them warm, soft, and perfectly stackable, just like the ones from Costco. And there you have it, your own homemade Costco-style tortillas, ready for tacos, quesadillas, or just to enjoy straight from the stack. Say goodbye to store-bought and hello to delicious, wallet-friendly, homemade goodness.